How's everybody doing? I just wanted to take a few minutes to recap our window table project, kind of go over what we did, how we started, where we came, where we wound up at. We started about 2 weeks ago on the 12th of December with a task to make 5 of these window tables. They were designed to fit underneath just about any window in a house, to put a plant on, or for your pet to sit on and look out the window, or for you just to sit on and look out the window. We decided to use walnut because that's what I had the most of in the shop, and we milled the walnut to dimension, or milled it and cut it to dimension. The table's about 35 inches wide, about 18 inches tall, and about 16 inches deep. The legs are solid 1.5 inch walnut. The top is 7/8 walnut. The upper apron is 2.5 inch walnut. The lower apron is 1.25 inch. The top received a bull nose, which we used a 1/2 inch round over bit on one side and then flipped it and used the other side, and that's how we achieved the bull nose effect. The legs all received 3/16 roundovers. The bottom of the apron received a 3/16 beating bit, and the lower aprons received an 1/8 inch roundover all the way around. And that's all the profiles that we used. So it was pretty simple. We kept it real simple. I didn't want it real complicated. All the joints were used. We used Domino tenons. We used the Festool Domino tenoning system, which worked spectacularly well. The base is very strong, and it came out wonderfully. It was a real simple assembly, real simple, other than the glue up, which just took some time. We finished it with one coat of Seal-A-Cell finish from General Finishes, followed by 3 coats of the Armor Seal semi-gloss finish from General Finishes. And it came out real well. The tops came out real well. I mean, the whole thing came out real well. The bottom, or the top, was attached using Z-clips. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that worked real well, and it'll allow the top to move a little bit for wood movement, so it won't hopefully won't crack. We also did felt feet on the bottom. Simple 1-inch circles that we got from the big box store. However, I did epoxy them on because those things usually don't stick very well, it doesn't seem like. So I used just a little bit of epoxy to kind of secure those so they'd stay where they're supposed to stay. So whether it's on a carpet or hardwood or laminate or whatever, it'll be fine. I'm trying to think of anything else that we may have done or that I missed. I don't think there is. Thanks for watching the videos. If you liked what you saw and you learned a little bit, hopefully, please hit the like button. And as always, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We'll be doing more videos as time permits. With the holidays, it may take a little bit, but this one was a Christmas project, so we had to squeeze it all in. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you back soon. Bye.